The group frequency table gives information about the time in minutes taken by 50 people to solve a puzzle. So here we've got the group frequency table, and Brian was asked to draw a cumulative frequency table for this information. So this is the table that Brian drew when he was asked to draw a cumulative frequency table. And the question goes on to say, write down one thing that is wrong with this cumulative frequency table. So firstly, let's have a look here at the frequency part. So we've got our frequencies here, so 5, 8, 12, 15, 7, and 3. And here Brian's drawn cumulative frequency. And it looks like he's got this correct, because we start with 5, and then we've got 13, which is correct because we've got 5, and we're adding on the 8 here, because it's cumulative, giving us the 13. And then 25, so we've got the 13 from the 5 and the 8, plus the 12, giving us 25, and so on and so on. So you can check all those and see that Brian's got the cumulative frequency correct. However, what he's got wrong is this column here. For example, taking the 13 here, Brian's saying that the 13 has come from between 10 and 20. But it hasn't, because the whole point is it's cumulative. This 13 has come from this 5 and this 8, which is between 0 and 20. So not just between 10 and 20, because between 10 and 20 it's only 8, but between 0 and 20 is 13. The same way when we get down to this 50 here, that's everything. So it's not just between 50 and 60, it's going to be between 0 and 60. So this here is what Brian should have done. So writing down one thing that is wrong with the cumulative frequency table, so there's an error in the inequalities. They should all start going from 0 like this. And I'm just going to give an example to make it clear. So I'm going to say, for example, we should have t is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 20, instead of greater than 10 and less than or equal to 20. And for an answer along those sort of lines, you get 1 mark.